Yay! Learning how to make a bento. Are you excited?
No, stop.
Full house. Literally no space, man. Look at this cute apron. Oh, Jane's finally gonna cook. What's it? The open kitchen.
I have my flowers, it's the hem flower, right? What I did, if you see, if I unroll it, right, is actually I folded the hem, I cut it into half. So from that half, I fold it into half again. And I slowly just take a scissors or knife and slice lines across it. But you don't slice all the way, leave about half a cm inside, and then you roll it. Then you get very nice hem flower or like pom-poms for your character, you know. And you can do in various different sizes like that. So you prepare in advance, put one side. That way it's easier when you want to fill up your bento box. I'm going to use you cannot see, right? Because it's so small. You can see it's very fine lines. So usually you either cut it very finely, or you use, you know, when you cut, then some of the seaweed break apart and fall. You can use those bits as well. So we see what you want to do with the character. Then for rounds, right, it's quite easy to find. You just have to cut it out with the scissors already. So what I do is I take a piece of seaweed, I cut off a bit first. It's always easier to work with a smaller piece than, imagine I cut one whole big piece just to get one small eye. It's very hard to manage, right? You slowly just turn the seaweed around. So your scissors don't really move. Your seaweed is the one moving. Then you got your part of your panda eyes ready. Yeah. So main thing we're using today is straws, which I mean you can easily find at home. You know, you go buy bubble tea, just take 2 straws of it, you know. Or Yakult straw as well. So you got different size to help you with different things. Yeah. So slowly open, remove the air and tighten it again. And then you're gonna have a very nice tight round shape, and your rice is gonna be a rice ball already. So if you're doing this at home, you know onigiri, inside got filling, right? This is what you can do. You can put filling inside for your kids, like tuna or vegetable they don't like eat, you cheat them into eating it. Yeah. So you just hide it inside and then you roll it. You can press it down a bit so your panda don't look too fat. Yeah. And you can do the shape a bit more triangularly. The ear it will look cuter as well. To make it even, to make it look even, is to roll it into a sausage first, and then you cut into half. And then you roll it into the balls. Yeah. Then slowly use your finger, press it, and then open, and then press it down again. So you have a sausage shape. Yeah. So when you have your roughly your sausage shape, right, you're gonna agar-agar and split into half. And push the rice apart. So you have 2 balls, and then you slowly just tighten one side first, and then tighten the other side. So this way your ear will be more even compared to when you take 2 times. Yeah. My panda ears is going to be quite big, so it looks very cute. Yeah, take a bit of rice. Yeah. The 3D nose is just a bit of rice into a small ball, and then you roll it together. So right, you can make a ribbon for it using your crab stick. How to make ribbon, right? You take 2 big straw, cut 2 big round circles, and then you take the white part, cut 1 small round circle, so it looks like the Hello Kitty ribbon. Yeah? So my panda's done. I'm gonna move it to my bento side, right? So I put a bit of vegetable for it to sleep in. Like that.
Showing us how to make the flower. Let's learn from Bruno today.
Throw away.
Oh wow, so pretty, Bruno. We've got 1 piece of very sad chicken, 2 pieces of sad tomato. Oh, that looks very fat. So good. Look at Jane being the Asian. Take all the the rice. Oh, thank you, Rosanna. Woo. What, Gina? Congrats! How do you feel? Surprised! And this is my finished product. It's a lion. Bruno, yours looks cute, like an alien panda. Jane's like full of carbs. My finished product, but the winner is this. Looks good. Tadakimasu. Wow. Congratulations, Gina. Wow, so nice. Wow. Mine inside here, see?